back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the different baking substitutes. So let's get into it, shall we? The first ingredient, cake flour. Cake flour is a low-protein flour that is milled into a fine consistency. Its soft, tender texture that directly translates into your baked goods. The best substitute is all-purpose flour. Substitute 1 cup of cake flour with a mixture of 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The next ingredient, sugar. Sugar primarily imparts sweetness to a baked product. It locks up the water molecules and helps to expand and extend the shelf life of the product. There are different kinds of sugars. Some of the commonly used sugars are brown sugar, granulated sugar, and caster sugar. These sugars can be replaced with honey. Substitute 1 cup of sugar with 3/4 cup of honey. Also, remember to reduce the liquid used by a few tablespoons. In baking, milk is used to hydrate the dry ingredients, add flavor, help with enhancing browning, and produce a softer crumb in the end product. A common substitute will be soy milk. Substitute 1 cup of milk with 1 cup of soy milk or almond milk for a non-dairy substitute, and for a dairy substitute, mix together half cup of heavy cream, that is 36 to 40% fat, and half cup of water to substitute 1 cup of milk. Eggs. Eggs play an important role in incorporating air and providing a spongy texture to the baked goods. It also acts as a binding agent and leavening agent. The substitute for egg would be curd or yogurt or flax seeds. Egg substitute. Substitute 1 large egg with either 4 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, or mix together 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of hot water and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes before using. The next ingredient, baking powder. Baking powder makes the baked goods light and fluffy by acting as a leavening agent. The substitute for baking powder would be a mixture of baking soda and with a pinch of cream of tartar. Baking powder substitute. Baking powder can be substituted by mixing together 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of cream tartar for 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking soda. Baking soda is a leavening agent and hence provides good volume and texture to the baked product. The substitute for the baking soda can be baking powder. Baking powder, though not as strong a leavening agent as baking soda, can be used as a substitute. Substitute 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Here are a few references which we gather our information from for this video. Feel free to check them out. Thank you for watching. We hope this video will provide you all the information that you needed regarding baking substitutes. Until next time, stay informed and stay healthy.